Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my Robinhood portfolio. Hope you guys have been having an awesome weekend. Unfortunately, where I'm at, it's raining, so I'm not able to get outside. Typically, I like to jump on my bike on the weekend, but since it's raining, I'm kind of stuck inside, not able to do that. So I thought I'd take advantage and do another stock picking video. As you guys know, I like to do one of these per week, looking at 5 or so stocks that you guys have suggested for my portfolio and/or stocks that have come up and discussions throughout the week. Still in the process of adding to my portfolio. I've divided my portfolio up into different market sections, such as healthcare, industrials, consumer staples, consumer discretionary, financial, information technology, energy, so on and so forth. And with each of those categories, I'm adding stocks to diversify my portfolio. So what I want to do today is take a look at 5 different stocks that were, as I said, either suggested to me to add to my portfolio or stocks that came up in discussions throughout the week. So having said that, let's just kind of jump in here and take a look at these stocks here. So the first one goes by the ticker symbol CSX. Here we go, CSX Corporation Common Stock. As we scroll to the bottom, here we can see this is a railroad company, a railroad-based transportation services kind of company. Currently, I have 2 stocks that are sort of grouped in my industrials, and then rail is a subcategory. Canadian National Railroad, and Union Pacific, CNI and UNP. Looks like another great stock as well. Both of those other stocks have a 2.3% dividend yield. This one has 2.32, so about the same. A nice market cap of 29.06 billion. A great PE ratio as well. It's trading near its 52-week high, but looks like it's been performing pretty well over the last month or so, up 6.5% over the last 3 months, up 9% almost. This looks like a very good play to potentially add to my portfolio. Like I said, I already have a couple stocks already in that category, so I'm not sure if I want to add this one. This is a very, very good play, though. I would not, if I didn't have those other 2 stocks in my portfolio already, I would not hesitate in grabbing this, and I still might, actually. So very good stock. This was actually recommended by Push the Snooze Button. So thank you very much for that. I know you've commented quite a few of my videos, and this looks like an awesome stock actually to add to my portfolio. So I'm going to seriously consider about adding this one. So moving on, let's go to the second stock pick here. It goes by LEG. There we go. Leggett Platt, I think that's how you pronounce that. This was suggested by Jammer. Actually, you had a stock last week that you also suggested. I think it was Philip Morris, if I remember correctly. So this is a company, looks like a manufacturing company, furniture, engineered components for home, office. So potentially this could be a good play. I guess I would probably group this into the consumer discretionary, possibly under home health, or not home health, home furnishings, furniture, possibly. Looks like it's got a great dividend yield at 2.9%. A pretty good PE ratio at 16. Good market cap, 6.11 billion. Looking over the past performance here, 1 month is down a bit. 3 months is down quite a bit as well. 1 year and 5 year, it's up a bit. So I'll have to take a little bit closer look at this particular company here. But I definitely don't have anything in my portfolio with regards to consumer discretionary and then furniture or home furnishing. So this would be a very serious contender. I like the dividend yield. I like the PE ratio. It's trading under its 52-week high. It's kind of right in between the 52-week high and low. It's trending down over the last 3 months or so quite a bit. So this could be a good stock to pick up cheap. But I definitely want to take a look at some more of its fundamentals to make sure this is a solid company. But yeah, very, very good stock. So thank you very much for that stock pick, Jammer. Let's go on to the third stock here. Goes by the ticker symbol ORI. Old Republic International here. This is a company, holding company, insurance underwriting and related services. So I'd probably put this into my financials category under insurance. I don't have anything currently under that category. Great dividend yield there at 4.09%. Good market cap, 4.81 billion. PE ratio looks okay, and its past performance here, kind of steady. 1 month, 3 months is down a bit. 1 year and 5 years, it's up quite a bit. So This may be a very good play to add to my financials under insurance. As I said, I don't have any current stock fitting into that particular segment of my portfolio. So this looks like a very good stock here. So thank you very much. And this was, again, suggested by Anthony. So thank you very much, Anthony. The fourth stock I want to take a look at goes by the ticker symbol WMT. This is Walmart. So everybody knows Walmart here. It's got a good dividend yield, 2.92%. PE ratio is okay. 212 billion market cap. As we know, one of the largest corporations in the world. It's trading under its 52-week high, which is 75. Kind of again between its the low and high here. This would be, I think, an okay company to have. It's, I think, a kind of a dividend aristocrat, if I remember correctly, increasing its dividend yield over the last 25 years or so. This might be a very good play. I'd probably add this again under consumer, discretionary, under just general merchandise. I have Target already, so this might be a nice complement to Target. Great, got a great dividend ratio, good PE ratio, very good company. So I think I might add this. I'm going to add this after the election and after the federal interest rate hike, but very good stock, and I think I'm definitely going to be adding this at some point. So thank you very much. And this was suggested by Cryptot. I think I'm pronouncing that correctly. You guys have the craziest names on here. So Cryptot, thank you very much for that. And the last stock I want to take a look at goes by the ticker symbol EV. So Eaton Vance up on top. Here we go. This company, I'm not too familiar with this company. It looks like it's an investment management company. Basically, I'd probably put this under financials. I'm not exactly sure what the subcategory would be. Maybe banking or financial services. Probably financial services, actually. It's got a good dividend ratio or dividend yield there, 2.8. Good PE ratio at 18. Good market cap, 4.21 billion. Trading near its 52-week high at 37.07. And looks like it's trended down a bit over the last day and week, month as well. 3 months, it's kind of holding steady. 1 year, it's up a bit, and 5 years, it's up quite a bit. So this would be a very good company. I think I could add to my financials under financial services. Don't have anything currently occupying that particular segment of my portfolio. So I'm going to take a serious look at this one as well. I'm not too familiar with this. I want to take a look at some of its fundamentals, but thank you, Jason, for this particular suggestion. I don't think this was a suggestion. I think this is more of a comment. A comment thread we're kind of talking about, and I think you brought this up as a stock that you own. So I'm going to take a serious look at this to add to my portfolio. So yeah, just kind of wanted to go through and take a look at some new stocks that I could be potentially adding to my portfolio. Again, CSX I think is a very good, strong contender to add to my portfolio. Again, I already have a couple rail stocks, so I may overbuy in that particular market segment, but rail stocks have been performing very well lately, so I'm going to take a serious look at that. Leggett Platt, again, another great stock. I don't have any current holdings in that particular market segment, so I may add to that, as well as Old Republic, another great stock. Walmart, I think I'm going to be buying at some point, but again, after the rate hike, after the election is over with. And Eaton Vance, I'm going to take a closer look at its fundamentals to see if that would mesh well with my portfolio. I like the dividend yield. I like the market cap and PE ratio. So I think I have 5 very good stocks here. Again, CSX, LEG, ORI, WMT, and EV. 5 great dividend yielding stocks to add to the portfolio. So yeah, just kind of wanted to do a stock picking video. As always, if you want to support the channel, think about subscribing if you're not a subscriber. It really helps me out quite a bit in getting some comment threads going. Leave a couple thumbs up. Again, leave some comments if you have any ideas about stocks, if you have any investing strategies. Let me know. Let me know what I'm doing wrong or right, or what your investment strategy is. I'm really interested in hearing from you guys what you're using and what kind of success you're having from that. So again, as I scroll through my portfolio on Friday here, it's kind of an up and down market. Not a lot of movement. I think the market's just kind of in a calm before the storm, if you will, before the election cycle and federal rate hike that's going to be happening here in a few months. So again, I just wanted to put out a quick stock picking video, and we'll see you guys until next video.